Let me start with a simple question. If your day looks like 40 unread emails, back-to-back meetings, 3 spreadsheets you didn't create, and zero time to think, this video is for you. Because the professionals pulling ahead right now are not AI experts. They are just using AI quietly inside the work they already do. Not to work harder, but to remove friction. And that difference compounds faster than most people realize. Most people treat AI like a tool. Professionals treat AI like a workflow upgrade. They don't ask which AI tool should I be learning. They simply ask, where does my time disappear every week? Emails, meetings, research, Excel presentations, decision making, repeating the same explanations again and again, then they place AI exactly there. That's it. No hype, no complexity, just smarter work. Number 1, emails. Before AI versus after AI. Let's start with the most common pain point. Before AI, writing an email takes 20 minutes. You rewrite for tone, you worry how it sounds, you delay hitting that send button. After AI, you drop rough thoughts in, ask for a clear professional rewrite edit, and the final version is ready to be sent within minutes. This is how professionals actually use tools like ChatGPT or Microsoft Copilot. Not to replace thinking, but to remove blank page friction. And when tone matters, many rely on Grammarly to avoid sounding too vague or too harsh. And the result is simple. You stop overthinking emails, you stop carrying conversations in your head after work, you move on faster. Number 2, let's look at meetings without the mental drain. Meetings usually fail in 2 places. Before the meeting, when no one is clear. After the meeting, when no one even remembers. Professionals now use AI in 3 moments. Before the meeting, they generate a short brief, context, goals, risks, questions to expect. After the meeting, they generate summaries, decisions, and the action items. This is where tools like Microsoft Teams Copilot, Zoom AI Companion, and others quietly save hours every week. The hidden benefit is not speed, it's mental relief. You are no longer exhausted by meetings because the messiest part is handled already for you. Number 3, research without information overload. Most people use AI like Google. Professionals use AI like an analyst. They don't ask, summarize this. In fact, they ask, what are the trade-offs? What are the risks? What's missing? What would a skeptic really challenge in a meeting? What questions should I ask next? Instead of opening 15 tabs at a time, they would simply get to a decision ready in sight. And this is where tools like Perplexity shine, alongside Google Gemini for long documents and internal material. Some go one step further. They don't even search anymore. They let AI watch the internet for them. Tools like Scouts monitor topics, competitors, and trends, and even alert you only when something important happens. Less noise, more signal. Let's dive into Excel, sheets, and logic that finally makes sense. This one doesn't get talked quite enough, but professionals use AI to reduce spreadsheet pain. They ask, explain what this model is doing, trace the assumptions, show me what breaks if I change this number, create a scenario table. If you've ever inherited a spreadsheet built by someone who's left the company, you know how painful that is. Before AI, you reverse engineer for hours together. But after AI, you understand the logic within minutes. You can validate it and move on. This is where Excel Copilot, Google Sheets, Gemini quietly changed the game. This isn't automation, it's mental clarity. Now let's also see operations, automation, and repeat work. Now let's talk about where AI already shows clear ROI, which is return on investment. Operations, customer support, repeat workflows. This is where AI acts like a best practice memory for the organization. Response quality becomes consistent. New hires ramp faster, teams stop reinventing the wheel. Beyond support platforms, advanced professionals use automation tools like N8N to connect apps, trigger actions, and eliminate manual handoffs. This is AI moving from assistants to execution. Now let's also look at the element of thinking better, not faster. This is the most underrated use of AI. Top professionals don't use AI for answers. They use it to pressure test thinking. They ask, argue the opposite of my idea. List assumptions I'm making at the moment. What am I missing? How could this fail? Or even rewrite this for a CXO level person. This is where tools like Claude, Notion AI become thinking partners for you. Not emotional, not defensive, just structured. AI accelerates your thinking while humans still own the judgment. That balance is the real professional skill today. Now let's see how visuals, slides, and communication power your professional credibility. Presentations, videos, one-pagers. AI removes the friction here as well. Instead of starting with blank slides, professionals use Kimi slides to generate structured decks automatically. For fast visuals and design drafts, tools like Nano Banana Pro turn ideas into clean visuals within seconds. For high-impact video, Hexfield enables cinematic output without a studio. And for audio cleanup and content reuse, MetaSam Audio quietly does the heavy lifting for you. The pattern is clear. Professionals focus on the message, and AI handles the formatting part. Another interesting leverage is voice, ideas, and frictionless capture, wherein some professionals don't even type anymore. They just talk. Tools like Whisperflow convert spoken thoughts into structured text while understanding context. Ideas get captured when they happen, not when there is time. That alone changes creative and leadership work. A quick but important warning for you. AI is powerful, but judgment still matters. Do not paste confidential data, client details, or sensitive financials into random tools. Anonymize when it's needed. Use enterprise tools when available. Being good with AI also means being safe with it. And the real career advantage. So let me also leave you with this. AI will not replace professionals, but professionals who redesign their workflows around AI will quietly pull ahead. They respond faster, they think clearer, they make fewer mistakes, and save energy for high-value work. If this video made you rethink how work actually gets done, don't stay on the sidelines. Subscribe, because the gap between professionals who redesign their workflow and those who don't is widening really fast. And comment workflow with your role: manager, analyst, consultant, or early career, because the next advantage won't come from working harder. It will be coming from working differently.